In 2026, AI is not a future threat anymore, it is already changing jobs across the United States. Some people adapted and won, while others were quietly replaced. Artificial intelligence promised efficiency, but in 2026, it also brought fear to millions of workers in the USA. While companies save money with AI, many workers are struggling to stay relevant. In 2026, AI chatbots handle customer support faster, while human agents wait longer for fewer calls. Companies prefer AI because it never sleeps, while humans need breaks. AI now processes thousands of records instantly, while human data entry workers are slowly pushed out. Accuracy became more valuable than effort, and AI delivers both. Self-checkout machines are spreading across the USA, while cashier jobs are disappearing quietly. Customers choose speed, while workers lose stability. Self-driving trucks operate day and night, while human drivers worry about their future. Logistics companies trust algorithms more than human reflexes. AI-powered robots work without fatigue, while warehouse workers face constant layoffs. Efficiency increased, but job security decreased. AI designs logos in seconds, while beginner designers lose clients. Creativity is still human, but speed belongs to machines. AI writes basic articles instantly, while writers are forced to upgrade their skills. Only deep thinking and originality survive. AI doesn't replace humans, it replaces repetitive tasks. Those who learn to work with AI survive, while others struggle. Jobs that require emotional intelligence, creativity, and strategy are still protected. AI assists doctors and engineers, but cannot replace human judgment. In 2026, AI is not stealing jobs, it is changing the rules. The real danger is not AI, but refusing to adapt. If you want to understand America's future before it happens, subscribe to America Decoded. We decode cities, jobs, lifestyle, and real life in the USA.